Hey guys, NCWQ here, and about 29 minutes ago, there was a 7.0 earthquake in the Bali Sea. It was 516 kilometers deep, and we are going to look at it on Google Earth. So let's get this into Google Earth so we can take a look at it. This is striking over here. As you can see, this is the Australian Sunda Plate boundary. This here is the transform boundary. This here is the plate that moves 70 millimeters per year, and it's a subduction zone. And this is the Australian Sunda Plate here, and this is the convergent boundary. Anyways, this is the area where this earthquake has hit. Just thought I would do a real quick update and let y'all know the area that it has occurred. And we will keep an eye on it. There will probably be aftershocks, but there may not be. Anyways, you guys, much love. God bless, and I hope y'all have a great afternoon.